Hi everyone! In this video today I'm going to be unboxing the Accessport Air, which is the wireless Bluetooth receiver for headphones and speakers, especially for headphones. This is a Bluetooth adapter featuring Qualcomm Bluetooth chipset, so it supports aptX, and pretty much you can see it is a Bluetooth 5.0. It supports aptX, low latency, and also the AIC codec. And it has up to 9 hours battery life, and it uses a USB-C port, and it says that it takes 2 hours to charge, and it's also a multi-point, so you can use two devices. You can put two devices to this at the same time. So I'm going to start opening it so that you can see the adapter, the Bluetooth. Yeah, basically it's an adapter, it's a Bluetooth receiver. So let's start by opening the box. I have to let's see what's the best way to opening it. Yeah, pretty much I have to just break this here. Carefully, of course, because I don't want to damage the product or the box as much. So let's be careful when you're opening it. For some reason it does not want to open it. Let's see if I can. Yeah, it's going to break the box anyway, so just go ahead and so let's see if I break this over here. There we go. Alright, so let's open it, and here we see it, the Accessport Air. It's a small USB, a small Bluetooth receiver, as you can see here. Oh, it has a headphone jack here, and it has a USB-C port here for charging. This is the buttons. These are the buttons, the volume button, and this is the main button as well. So usually it should turn on. I have to read the instructions to see how it turns on and all of that stuff. Maybe it turns on by just connecting headphones, pretty sure, not sure. So here we have the USB-A to USB-C cable to charge it, and it has this 3.5 cable as well, probably to connect to speakers or other devices. It has the carrying pouch here, so if you want to bring your Accessport Air with you, you can just throw it here and you can carry it with you at any place that you go. Pretty useful. And here's the user guide. So let's see. It says that you just plug the USB-C cable to charge, and power button. So yeah, probably you just press the button here, but maybe you need to have the headphones connected. Let me try it. If I connect my headphones to it. Okay, and now I press the power button. Or probably it's just discharged. Probably, because I just received it, so I'll need to charge it. Alright, so we have here the instructions, and here are the controls, specifications, warranty information. So yeah, and we have a card that encourages us to register. So yeah, so pretty much this is what we have. We have the carrying pouch, we have the Accessport Air, we have a 2.5 mm cable here, and we have the charging cable, the USB-C to USB-A charging cable. So pretty much that concludes this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.